Hi everyone. Welcome back to MD Unlocker. Today we're talking about Chimera Tool, and this video will help you understand everything you need in a simple and professional way. A lot of people ask us, which Chimera plan should I choose? How do I buy a license safely? And which features are best for my daily work? So in this guide, I'll walk you step by step through what Chimera Tool is, the plans, the prices, and how to select the right option based on your business. If you're a technician, or you want to grow your mobile service work, this video will save you time, money, and mistakes. Alright, let's get started. Before we talk about choosing a license, let's understand what Chimera Tool really is. Chimera Tool is one of the oldest and most trusted professional mobile service tools in the world. It has been active for many years, and today thousands of technicians and repair shops use it every day. It supports a wide range of brands like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, LG, Motorola, Oppo, Vivo, and many more. Chimera is known for stability, regular updates, safe procedures, and reliable support. So when you buy a Chimera license, you are investing in a tool that is proven, professional, and trusted worldwide. Now, let's look at the 3 Chimera licenses and understand which one is right for your work. Let's start with the Basic license. Basic license is designed for technicians who repair a small number of devices. With the Basic plan, you can connect up to 100 phones per year. You get 8 computer slots, with only 2 slots unlocking each quarter. There is no procedure credit discount and no bonus credits on renewal. You also get 10 IMEI checks and 10 Samsung ML checks for the whole year. Basic is perfect if you're just starting your repair journey, or if you only handle a few devices each week. Now let's move to the most popular option, the Professional license. Professional license is made for medium-sized repair shops. It allows up to 1,500 phone connections per year, which is a huge upgrade from Basic. You get a 10% discount on procedures, plus 100 bonus credits and 2 extra weeks of license validity when you renew. You also receive 24 computer slots, with 6 slots unlocking every quarter. For checks, you get 50 IMEI checks and 50 Samsung ML checks per year. This plan is ideal if you repair phones daily, manage a growing shop, or want better value and more flexibility. Now the top-tier plan, the Premium license. Premium license is designed for high-volume repair centers and professional teams. It supports up to 5,000 phone connections per year. You get the highest discount, 15% on paid procedures, and you receive 150 bonus credits plus 3 extra weeks of validity during renewal. Premium includes 32 computer slots, with 8 new slots unlocking each quarter. For checks, you get 100 IMEI checks and 100 Samsung ML checks per year. Premium also includes priority customer support, meaning your issues are handled first. So to make it simple, Basic is for low-volume technicians, Professional is for active repair shops, and Premium is for high-volume businesses that need maximum limits and priority support. Choose the plan based on how many phones you handle every week and how many computers you want to use the tool on. Now let's move to the next step, and I'll show you how to buy your Chimera license safely through MD Unlocker. First, open your browser and type MD Unlocker in Google search. You'll see our official website at the top. Click on it to open. Once the website loads, click on the Login button. If you already have an account, just sign in as usual. But if you don't have an account yet, create one first. Registration is simple. Just enter your basic details and verify your email. After logging in, go to the Server Service section. Here, you'll see all available Chimera licenses, Basic, Professional, and Premium. For this example, let's open the Premium license. When you click on it, you will see a button that says Register. Click on it, and a Chimera registration pop-up will appear. Here, create your Chimera account using a secure username and password. Avoid simple passwords. Always use something strong for your safety. Once you complete the form, Chimera will send you a verification email. Go to your Gmail, open the message, and click the verification link. After that, your Chimera account will be activated. Now, you'll see the download section inside Chimera. You can download the Chimera Tool software from here. Before we place the order, let me show you how to top up your MD UNLOCKER account. Go back to the client side and click on Buy Credit. Here you will see all the available payment options. For this tutorial, we will use BEP20 or TRC20 through Binance. In this method, you don't need to enter any amount on the website. There is no limit. You can send any amount you need. Now let me show you how to do it step by step. Open your Binance app on your mobile. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Assets. You will see 3 options. From these, tap Send. Binance will now ask which method you want to use. Choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Next, select the coin. You can use USDT or USDC. Now Binance will ask you for the details. On the MD UNLOCKER website, scan our QR code. Based on whether you selected BEP20 or TRC20, make sure you choose the correct network. This is very important. Enter the amount you want to send, and then tap Send. After the verification steps, your payment will be sent. Now, open the History section in Binance. You will see a hash key or TXID. Both are the same thing. Copy it and paste it on the MD UNLOCKER website. Our system will automatically detect your payment, and the balance will be added to your account. You can also see this in the invoice section. Now let's go back to the order page. Before placing your order, you may see a message asking you to authorize your account. Just click the Authorize button, and your Chimera account will be linked successfully. Once everything is ready, click Order. Your order will be processed instantly, and your license will be activated. That's it. Simple, safe, and fast. Now let's install the Chimera Tool software. After downloading the setup file, open it. The installer will first ask you to select your language. Choose the language you prefer, and click Next. Next, it will ask about drivers. Normally you would select Full, but because this is a demo, we will choose Custom. After that, the installation will begin. It may take a little time, so wait until it completes. Once the installation finishes, Chimera Tool will open automatically. Here it will ask you to log in. Enter your Chimera username and password, and click Next. Now Chimera will send a security code to your Gmail. Open your email, copy the code, and enter it here. Then click Login. Next, the tool will show the terms and conditions. Read them carefully, and click Accept. Chimera may now ask about the magnet link feature. If you need it, click Yes. After that, it will ask you to confirm your time zone. If your PC time is not set correctly, fix it before continuing. But the setup is still not fully complete. Now you need to connect your license to your system. Open Chimera again and log in. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, click on License, and you will see your purchased plan. Select your PC from the list and click Connect. That's it. Your Chimera license is now linked and the tool is fully ready to use. You can start performing repairs, flashing, FRP removal, and many more functions right away. Before we end this video, I want to share one very important warning. Never use any kind of USB sharing or USB redirect software while Chimera Tool is open. Do not use virtual USB tools, remote USB apps, or any software that forwards your USB ports. If you do this, Chimera can permanently ban your account and your computer. So please use the software only on your own system and keep your tools safe. And if you face any issue, or you need help with installation, license activation, payments, or anything else, you can always contact us. At MD UNLOCKER, we are always ready to assist you with fast and professional support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.